This is the vlog that everybody's probably been waiting for, but today we're finally gonna install my coilovers on the car and I can finally put the TE37s on the Supra. But today, we got Thomas over here. We're gonna we put up his M3 on the quick jacks. We're gonna do some quick maintenance. I think we're changing some fluids, but look at this man's wheels, guys. We got the same wheels and they aren't even the same color anymore. Freaking gross. And check this out. So before he wasn't running the center caps, I bought the center caps. I put them on when I ceramic coated them and they're all lined up. Look at this man. Look what he did. They don't even match straightly and none of them on any of the corners. All right. So we're probably gonna fix that up today too.
Next time.
Wow, new Nano here. Thomas. So we're gonna quickly knock out his car and then we'll do the Supra as soon as we're done. Hey, you guys gotta diss my friend in the comments below. Thomas, this man does not know how to take care of his car at all. Wheels are grime. And look, the diffuser and the rear end's nasty. You guys remember the tips? Do these look familiar? Does the diffuser look familiar? He has my old competition muffler on this thing. And the PSM diffuser. Look at him. Look at him working so hard. Alright, but check out this M3, guys. So he has my old PSM diffuser on there. We actually put the competition muffler with the exhaust tips that I did onto this car. We both had mid pipes, so it was just super easy to swap out the muffler. And then before we traded in my M4, he also got my M Performance steering wheel as well. Damn. I missed stick shift. Yeah. All right, now that we got Aaron or Thomas's oil change and rear diff fluid done, we're gonna go ahead and install the coilovers now. We got the Supra pulled in. We got Aaron pulling back into his spot. But really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys the coilovers that we went with. We went again with KW V3s. I love this setup that when I had it on the M4. I did want to do the Club Sports and I originally had the orders placed for the Club Sports. However, it was going to take another 4 to 5 months to come in. I couldn't wait. I was told that there was another set of V3s ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the V3s again because I can't wait 4 or 5 months to finally put the wheels on. So we're going to go ahead and jack up the car and get started now. I'm not going to make an install video because Speed Industry made a super good install video for the Supra, so I don't want to even have to make one. We're just going to go ahead and put the coilovers on and drop the car, put on the wheels. Alright guys, we finally got the suspension on. The car has been dropped off the quick jacks and it's sitting on the TE37s. And we slammed that thing to the ground. I'm just joking. The car's actually not that slammed. I'm not that young anymore. I really like how it sits actually right now. The coilovers still need to settle a little bit. And then actually when we're driving, you know, when the car's doing pulls, it's gonna sink back a little bit. So I actually think this height is pretty darn good. And then we'll let it settle, see where it is. But the passenger side is a little bit taller. It's super dark out right now. I'm super tired. I actually don't want to jack the car up and adjust it right now. I'm gonna let it settle a little bit, and then when I have time off of work this week, I'll go ahead and readjust the rear, but the fronts look pretty good. I have work tomorrow morning, and I'm just too tired to keep tackling this on. It's actually too dark. I want to show you guys more footage of it outside, maybe in a wider parking lot, because right now I've only seen it inside the garage and it looks amazing. But unfortunately in this video, I'm not going to be able to show you guys the car outside of the garage and stance a lot better or get you guys better angles of it. I'm closing this week at work, so I get off pretty late. And honestly, it's going to be dark every single day when I get off of work. So I'll get you guys more footage of the Supra on the TE37s, lowered on the KW coilovers in the next video. But I hope you guys enjoy the content that I was able to provide for today. I am absolutely in love. It looks so good. I can't wait to put the downpipes and see where this thing goes. But look at that. Oh my. I am absolutely in love with the car. Hopefully I can put out more content soon. I actually have a lot more parts and some easy videos that I can make. But again, I appreciate you all. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.